In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I'll be getting a 7% win rate with the RSI indicator. So this is one of the best indicators if you want to get a high win rate, because it tells you if a certain asset is oversold or overbought. So let's say right here, we go through a few different assets here. And this one right here, it just touched the 70 line. So it's a decent sell, I would say. So we're going to put that there. And if it goes up quite a bit more, then we're going to be putting in 2 more sells. So I'm going to waiting for that. So right here, this is more of a slightly longer term scalp, if you like to put it that way. Because typical scalps are typically in like 5 to 15 seconds. This RSI indicator strategy is closer to a 1 minute scalp kind of strategy. So you will have to wait a little bit for each trade, but it'll be worth it. So right here, we see that everything's going down a little bit now. It's a good sign. Let's see. Okay. We might lose this one. I'm going to be putting in 2 more sells. Right around that level. So we can recuperate that money. So now it's still around this 70 line here. It's getting to an overbought status. So if it actually crosses this line again, I'm going to be putting in more sells. See? Okay. That might be going downwards a little bit. Okay. It's almost touching it. There we go. Putting 3 there. Okay, so it's below this line right here. Good sign. Okay. Perfect. So we're around 30 more seconds for this trade right here. Okay. That's going above the line, which is not good. Okay. And we might win this one actually. And sure enough, we do. So this strategy has roughly a 70% win rate, like I discussed. So basically, you want to see the overbought, oversold levels right here. Not horrible actually. We'll put in 2 buys here. So the RSI strategy indicator goes against like these very short-term scalping strategies. So the reason I have the super trend and parabolic SAR is because they're really great for short-term scalping. Let's say 5 or 10 second scalps. They're really great for that, but they're really not good for a little bit of a longer term kind of scalps, like a 1 minute scalp, 5 minute scalp. So here it's going up quite a bit. There's a crossover here, so it's even a stronger sign that it'll go up. As you see here, it's going to go up further, and further. Perfect. Now it even has a buy to support this even. Might even do a 15-second right here. Up, and up. Voila. Doesn't think this one will win. Probably not. We'll see. Okay, this one did not win, but we got those other 2 wins right there. So let's go back to that 1 minute marker right here. Let's look for some overbought, oversold. This one right here might be touching the overbought level soon. This might be a resistance level right around this level right here. So it has to go up a little bit, but see right now it's falling. Might be a decent opportunity to do a 15-second scalp downwards. Okay. As you see right here, okay, now it's going back upwards. There we go. And let's go to see if there's any overbought or oversold anywhere. This one's pretty oversold. I'm gonna actually put 2 buys in once it goes down a little bit. Let's do that right there. So it's oversold quite a bit there. So pretty decent. These are 15-second scalps right here. I made a good amount of money there. All right. Now, this one did approach this pretty high level right here. This is a resistance level right here, I would say. So, I would actually bet on it going downwards, probably. Unless it's a breakout opportunity, we'll see. Yeah. Once it reaches around this level right here, we're right around here, actually. We'll see if it breaks through. If it doesn't, it's going to be a good sell opportunity. Okay. Put one sell in there. Microsoft here. See if it pumps up a little bit more. If it pumps a little more, we're going to be putting more sells. There we go. There we go. Great opportunity there. And let's do a few more trades here. This one's getting to the oversold level here. Yep. This is an opportunity to buy there, short term. Let's go actually in 1 minute actually as well, because this is probably going to be a loss here. I'm fairly confident to say that this will go up. It's a pretty good support level right here, right around this level right here. Okay. See if it goes down further. Okay. There we go. Right around this level here. Okay. So for these 1 minute scalps, so it can get a little bit unpredictable. Sometimes it go back down below the 30. And that's just a good opportunity to put more buys in. Put in 3 buys there. We did make a loss there. Let's see if it'll recuperate. And right here, it's oversold still. It's been on an oversold streak for quite a bit now. Let's see if it'll go back up, because it broke right through this support, right through this level right here, and now it's down to right below even this level right here. So I'm not sure. Yeah, maybe it might go up around this level once it hits this level right here, as you see right here. It's a good opportunity to put a little bit more buys in. So made a few losses there. 15 seconds here. Perfect. It's going upwards. There's short 15-second scalp there too. Right, all right. Perfect. Another 15-second scalp there too. Perfect. Made a good amount of profits there. Made that loss there. It's fine. All right. Yeah. So that's the RSI indicator strategy. So basically, when it's overbought, oversold, you'll want to put a buy in, put a sell in, depending if it's overbought or oversold. So if it's above 70, you'll want to put a sell in. And if it goes well above that, then you just want to put in more buys, more sells. So this is a higher risk strategy because sometimes it'll just go up and up and up, right? It can just be pumping up a lot. That does happen sometimes. But 70% of the time, 70, 80% of the time, it'll go a little bit below it, a little bit below the level, the 30 level, or above, a little bit above the 70 level. Now go right back to the baseline right here. So the baseline is this one right here. So it's around 50. So it'll generally, it always has a tendency to go back to that baseline right there. So this is a pretty good strategy. 70% win rate, really great. We made some good profits today. And if you want 50% off your first deposit on Polkadot option, all you gotta do is just go to becoin.net. It's becoin.net right here, and you'll get 50% off your first deposit on Polkadot option. Becoin.net is also really great for trading forecasts, daily forecasts, weekly forecasts, monthly forecasts, and even yearly forecasts. Okay, so it's great for cryptocurrency, Forex, and stock forecasts. So go to becoin.net, sign up with this link right here. Use this promo code, you'll get 50% off, and you can also take advantage of our free forecasts.